So here's how to play Monopoly Go for beginners. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you don't skip any important steps. Monopoly is a classic board game where players buy, trade and develop properties to accumulate wealth. Each player chooses a token and receives a set amount of money. Place all the properties, chance, and community chest, cards, tokens, houses, and hotels in their respective spots on the board. Roll the dice to determine who goes first. Players take turns clockwise. Roll both dice and move your token that number of spaces clockwise. If you land on an unowned property, you can choose to buy it for the listed price. If you choose not to buy, the banker will auction it to the highest bidder. If you land on a property owned by another player, pay them the rent amount listed on the property card. If you own a complete color set, you can build houses and later hotels on those properties, increasing rent. If you land on a chance or community chest space, draw a card and follow its instructions. Pay the amount specified if you land on these spaces. You can get sent to the jail for landing on the go to jail space, rolling doubles 3 times in a row, or drawing a certain chance community chest card. Some house rules include placing money paid as taxes or fees in the center, which is won by the player who lands on free parking. Try to collect complete color sets to build houses and hotels. You can trade properties, money, and get out of jail free cards with other players. If you owe more than you can pay, you must sell houses, hotels, and mortgages properties to raise funds. If you can't raise enough, you are bankrupt and out of the game. The game continues until all but one player is bankrupt. The last remaining player wins. So that's how to play Monopoly Go.